a lot of people now are worried about AI, of course.
Yep.
And will AI displace software? Can you just say, AI, build me this software and replace what I'm currently using, and bada boom, bada bing, and that's it? I think that sounds way too crazy, but some people are really worried about how AI will hurt software. I think Constellation has a different take, though.
No, I think the first thing is to say is that this is still all very hypothetical.
Yeah.
About whether like the ultimate impact that AI is going to have on software, and for a whole host of other industries as well, where I think by and large today where we are with AI is that, you know, people use it to help with their homework and maybe with some coding, but like the actual use cases beyond that are still a little unclear about what it's going to end up changing. So I think that's the first aspect. I think the second aspect is that you got to understand that Constellation's software, like the reason that they buy these businesses is because they're very deeply embedded into the operations of the customers. Mm-hmm. So like I was reading this case study about Volaris Group, one of the Constellation one of the operating groups that make acquisitions at Constellation.
And Volaris will eventually be a standalone company.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they bought a company that in 2020 that provides library management software.
Okay.
And so what the software does is like, you know, catalog all the books, you know, make it available online. And they manage the library systems in Pickering and in Richmond Hill and like all sorts of places, right?
That's part of Toronto for those that are listening from other countries. Yes.
Yeah. So the company is called Biblio Commons.
Okay.
And, you know, this is not anything that a programmer can't already do, right? Like it's not, I don't think it's a hard software to write, but imagine if you're the Pickering library, like you're not going to recatalog all your books again with a new software just to save a few bucks. Right? Like you have to like I can't even imagine what that would be like.
No idea.
So it to the extent that, yeah, like maybe you can spin up a cheaper version using AI now. Yeah. Maybe some of these companies, you know, like, yeah, like maybe in the future there's going to be some markets where people rather use an AI generated version rather than switching to like
it's so hypothetical though. It's so hard to.
But is that really really what a library wants to spend its time doing?
No.
Like,
and who's going to run it? Who's going to be in charge of that program?